This is my workbench, but I need a bigger one. But the thing is, that's also a garage where I need to park 2 cars during the night. So I need a workbench that's gonna be mobile and packable. This is where I'm at. I don't know if you can see. Wait, let me show you. These lines here, that I'm gonna remove. This part also here, this big part also here, and on the other side also, but it's a mess. I don't want to show you because that's one leg. I need another one the same like this. The goal is to remove as much materials as I can to make the legs lighter, so it's not gonna be that heavy to move around. I'm no engineer, but I hope that this design will work and that the table is not gonna collapse. Let's continue. And we are the next day. Yesterday I had to wrap it up because I had to pick up the kids in school, but I managed to finish both legs, and let me show you, it turned out really nice. I really like it. As you can see, I have 2 sets and it looks really nice. And by cutting out those shapes, I got rid of a lot of weight. It's much easier to move around without losing sturdiness. So quickly to explain what I was doing, I drew on each side, I drew these channels, and the goal for me is to be able to use these F-clamps. So I don't want the piece to move around. I can put the F-clamp inside and tighten it up so it's nice and steady. This is gonna be a really nice addition to the workbench. It's also gonna be a little bit lighter because I will be removing a little bit of material. And now the only thing left to do is to draw 18 dog holes. I'm gonna have a lot of drilling and cutting to do. So let's get to work. So the workbench is done, and didn't want to show you until the end of the video, but I got a small problem. It's really cool. I like it a lot. It's really sturdy. When you put something on it, it's not gonna break. I think even me, I'm a big guy, I could stand on it without it breaking. But my problem is, let me show you. As you can see, like this, really strong, really cool looking. These slots here, dog holes, and yeah, I also like the design of the legs. But because of my design, I've got this problem. Yes, the legs are maybe too thin, I guess. I don't know. But I need to find a solution to make it, at least to reduce the movement, the twist movement of the bench, because everything else is really nice, really cool. But I've got a problem, yes. And as I'm filming, I don't know what's the solution. If you have a solution for me, write it in the comments below. But I'm trying to think at the same time I'm recording. And for now, I have no answer. Shit. Here we are at my almost successful workbench. I didn't want to upload this video, but I was like, okay, failure is part of the success. It's not a total failure. I like the design. I like the fact that I have a big surface I can work on, that I can easily store away when I need to park the cars in the garage. The only flaw is this movement, and you can work on it. I will use it for sure, but it's annoying when you try to do something and it's moving around. It's not perfect. Like I said, we live, we learn. I've learned about my mistakes, about my design flaws. That's a video that ended up completely differently from what I was expecting. I hope that my next project will be a total success and not a almost success. We see us in the next video. Bye.